This is sharp. Look at the is that LED lights? Wow.
Yeah, well, yeah, I guess so. You know,
Beautiful.
Really beautiful bright light.
So I can talk about this headphone a little bit here. A lot of people are looking for an affordable headset, insanely affordable. And so it's got all of the features you'd want in like a premium headset, but at a low price. That's why this thing is so incredibly popular. And so it's got the blue LED lights on the side. It's got the little headphone or the microphone on it. Actually flips up so it can go up vertical next to your head. It's not stuck in that position if you're wondering if that's going to be in front of your mouth all the time. It's not. It's got the fluffy band on the top for comfort for long gaming sessions, which is cool. It obviously looks super gamer and really cool, to be honest. And then if you switch over to the picture about the drivers inside the headphones. So here's actually the crazy, the second picture, that one. So here's the crazy thing about these headphones. It's got a 40 millimeter neodymium magnet driver. So what does that mean? So what that means is that's just a gigantic speaker inside these headphones is what that means. Like that is a very large speaker. That is something that is normally reserved for, higher end studio headphones, but it's actually inside these gaming headphones, which is amazing. And the ear cups, they've got the plush leatherette ear cushions, normally something that's reserved for a higher end product, but once again, not reserved for a higher end product here. It's on a more affordable pair of headphones, which is crazy. So I thought that was really cool. And then go ahead and show the other features down there with all the cables. Yeah. And then right here, you can plug this thing into like everything. So it's got the gold plated plug, which the gold, if you're wondering why they're all gold, number one, it sells better. And number two, gold is very conductive. So it lets the signal come through. You have to plug in a USB cable, as you can see here, to power up the LED lights on this. It's got a volume wheel and a 1-key mute. So you can hit mute on it real quick when your mom tells you to come eat dinner. And then they show an inside picture of the cable itself. All you really need to know about this cable is that it's braided. You see the braids right there, guys? Like, you don't want to buy a cable that's got like a rubber on the outside of it. Or even like this one. If you're rough on your headphones and you want it to last, if you have braiding on the cable, it reinforces the cable. It feels nice and premium when you touch it, and it's really great for long-term usage, especially if you're raging out as a gamer. The braiding on there is going to help that cable stay intact. And just if you accidentally tug on the cord, right? If you accidentally get up while you have the headphones on, even if your cat bites the cable, stuff like that, you're going to have the cable still be intact. So anyway, I think these pair of headphones are insane. Like, if you're looking for an affordable pair of headphones, this is what's up. And as you can see from this universal compatibility diagram, you can plug these into your PS4, your Switch, your iPad, your smartphone. But one thing to keep in mind, as you can see here, the adapters are not included for PC, Xbox, and laptop. If you're looking to get your headphones and your microphone through, if you have those two separate jacks on your computer, as you can see right here. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking to do that on those devices, you'll need to get an adapter. So overall, I'd say thumbs up on this if you're looking for an affordable pair of headphones. Gaming creators, really quick, before you do anything else, enter to win our Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, $1,100 in gear. We're giving away for $0. Link in the description below. It includes this exact audio setup you hear me on right now. It's the one we use on the podcast every single day. If you want to sound this good, this is live, by the way. This is not an edited video. This is the way it actually sounds. Let me just show you the bundle. It's freaking amazing. The bundle includes this microphone, shock mount, and boom arm. Plus, it includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which is arguably the best creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license if you want to help grow that YouTube channel faster. Plus, our friends over at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow your stream faster. Rode hookup, TubeBuddy hookup, Restream hookup. They all just wanted to give you guys gear to help you succeed and software to help you succeed for free. So here you go. Link in the description below. Enter for your chance to win. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you guys can maybe pick this package up and increase your quality and increase your chances of growing faster with the tools and gear that we use every single day to grow, and hopefully you can use to grow as well. Link below, go do it. Thank you.